Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, lining, tape, a zip, and a strong interfacing. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 45 centimeter. So I'll be using centimeter instead of inches for this bag. Okay, 45 centimeter by 25 centimeter width. I have two of this, front bag and the back. Then I'd already ironed a strong interfacing on it. Fold your tape rule into that 45 inches centimeter, so yeah, you get the midpoint. So when you place on your fabric, you are going to mark your midpoint with chalk. Then when that is done, from the mark point, you are going to measure 7 inches. And you are going to measure 7 inches here. We are going to do the same for this other part. And this way we'll be fixing the handle of the bag. And for the handle of the bag, this is bridal satin that we'll be using. This bridal satin, I'd already ironed a medium weight interfacing on it, and I stitch it on one part. So let's measure it. This is 41 centimeter. Okay. So I'm going to fix this here. I'm just going to stitch. I'm going to stitch. I have stitched the handle of the bag. Okay, and I've also stitched the other part of the bag. Then the next thing you want to do is to cut out another Ankara fabric. So let's measure it. So this is 45 centimeter by 7 centimeter. So I have two of this. You're going to stitch one part here straight down. I'm also going to stitch the other part here straight down. I have stitched this to the bag. I ironed a strong interfacing on this part too. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is to go and top stitch. You open it, raise your handle up, and you're going to top stitch on it. And this is the other side. You're going to do the same. Raise your handle up and top stitch on it. I have top stitch on it. So now it's time to fix the zip. So I'm going to fix your zip this way, and you cut out the same lining as your Ankara fabric. And you're going to fix the lining on top. You're going to stitch straight down. I have stitched the lining to the fabric. Then you're going to open this way, and you're also going to top stitch. After top stitching on the zip, now you're going to fix the other part of the bag. Okay, you're going to stitch this here, and you're going to put the lining underneath the zip, and you're going to stitch straight down. After stitching, you're going to bring out your lining and your Ankara fabric together, and you're also going to top stitch on it. After top stitching the other side of the bag, now this is what you're going to do. You're going to Ankara to Ankara and lining to lining. You're going to stitch straight down. You're going to stitch. You're going to leave space here, and you stitch the rest. I have stitched. I also stitch this part, but I left a small opening here. So you're going to open your zip before we stitch now. Open your zip. Open it up. So you open your zip. Now you're going to stitch this way. And use pin to hold the zip together. Okay, so I'm going to stitch like this. Bend your line too, same way. See? So I'm also going to make your zip stay together here. See your line. I'm going to stitch straight down and stitch straight up. I have stitched. I also stitched. The next thing to do is to cut off excess zip. When you turn, this is what it looks like. This is the opening that I left behind before. Okay, so now we're going to measure 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter for the 4 edges. 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to cut these 4 edges off. So when that is done, okay, I'm going to turn this back side out from this space. going to stitch this part. After stitching the 4 corners of the back, now we're going to stitch this lining that we left behind. So just fold this in and run a straight stitch. Half stitch. So it's time to turn the back inside out. You know I stitch from the right side, so turn the back inside to the wrong side. So now we are going to stitch this back from the wrong side. After stitching the side of the back, okay, now we're going to turn the back inside out. So guys, come to the end of this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your opinion about this bag. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.